Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tan with Ergo-Flex. We're going to be doing a patient setup on the Knee On Trac.
Before we begin, a quick reminder that proper patient setup is essential for the proper knee traction. Patients will not feel or see results, and the device may throw error codes if the patient is not set up correctly. So let's dive into how to see results and get the most out of your equipment.
First thing we're going to do is have our patient come join us and sit down. We're going to be focusing on the left extremity. And we're going to make sure that our patient is scooted all the way back. And if they are able to, they're going to roll up their pants leg, or if they have shorts, even better, so we can have access to this knee joint. Lovely. We're going to make sure that we're nice and straight here. And it looks like we're in a good position. So what I'm going to do is just tighten up our knob here on the back. If we needed to, we could extend this to account for our patient's height and then tighten this before we begin. I'm going to take our thigh strap and go across our patient's thigh. You're going to feed this through the slit on the side of the chair. It's the same on both sides. Have it nice and tight and go back across the thigh to make sure that we're nice and snug. Not cutting off any circulation, but we do want to make sure that we have a nice anchor point here for the patient to stay connected to the chair. I'm going to come around. Our first layer is going to be the grip strip. Ideally, this will make skin contact on your patient. If this goes over clothing, that's fine as well. It'll help secure this anchor point. Now, for this contact point, you want to be about 2 inches beneath the kneecap on the tibial tuberosity, or the top of the calf. You're going to make sure that the bladder is tucked like so, and go across that same area. And very similar to the thigh strap, there's a slit that you'll feed this Velcro strap through on the other side. And back across, like so. The last step here is going to be to make sure that the bulb is, this dial is turned all the way to the left so that we're holding air. We're going to pump up the bladder 3 to 4 times and hand this over to our patient. Now, very important here that if we notice during the therapy this is starting to slip, we give the power to the patient to inflate the bladder. If it's too tight and it's constricting blood flow, they have the power to decrease some of the air and promote that blood flow. So, seems like we're nice and snug here. We're straight. We're making sure that our knob on the back just below the kneecap is tight. And we are ready to begin our traction therapy.
Then we let our client enjoy their knee traction for 5 to 7 minutes.
So after the session is completed, you're going to have the dial on the bulb. You're actually going to just turn that all the way over to the left to release all the air in the bladder before unstrapping your patient. There we go. And get your thigh. Perfect.